Hi guys, it's DJ again. I'm here to show you guys how to remove a car tire from the rim. How to break the bead, the seal, in other words. So, I don't have a tire currently at the moment. I've already did this and I'm just now thinking about making a video for it because I have not seen it done anywhere else. So, alright, let's get started. So first you're going to need your car jack. Now, before I start, let me mention though, I have seen on YouTube where people have the tire, and to get it off, they drive the car over the tire, just the rubber part, not the rim. Now, sometimes this doesn't work because you're working on the tire that's on that vehicle, so you don't exactly have a vehicle to maybe drive over that tire. So this is where this would come in. So you would need a car jack, the tool to jack up the car jack, and let's just pretend this is a car tire. Now you're going to need an area where you can fit the tire underneath, and then while this is fully like this, we'll compress it down. Okay. And then you're going to stick this right here, just like that, before the car rim. And then this is going to go under something like that. But make sure you use something that can withstand the pressure. Not something like what I'm using right here, my gate for the fence in my backyard. And it's obviously going to push that up and mess it up. It's made out of plastic. But if you can find somewhere to put this under, and then jack it up, and keep jacking it up, that will help break the bead or the seal. Alright, I hope this works for you guys. Let me know in the comments.